Oh my goodness! Hello my spooky friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel for the Halloween season. We are 1 week away from October. Don't panic. Do not panic, you guys, okay? Anyways, today I am posting this video because my palette with a.l.i.e.n Cosmetics is launching today, September 24th, Friday. It probably has already been launched if you're watching this video right now. But I did have it go on sale about 2 weeks ago for pre-order and that sold out. So I decided, well, a.l.i.e.n and I both decided to bring back the palette for official purchasing, like not a pre-order, like you're going to be purchasing it. But I'm pretty sure all my pre-orders already got sent out. So if you already got the palette, I'm so happy for you, and thank you for supporting me. I hope you love the palette as much as I do. I'm taking my Plouise base and I am just painting my whole eyelid so we can do a nice dramatic look. I wanted to go for like a red, vampy, kind of smoky look using my palette. So I'm going to be going in with the shade Unhappy Darling as my base shade for the reds to grip onto. I really love doing like a very dark purple in the crease, or like a black, or a very dark red, or you know, whatever color scheme I'm going for. I want to start with very dark in the crease. I am making more of like a halo kind of shape. It's not going to be a halo eye, but I'm just bringing the crease from the outer corner into the inner corner of my eye, and I am just packing that on with a pointy little brush. The next shade I'm going in with is Vampira. It is a very deep, like wine red. It is so beautiful, but I'm just going to pack that halfway on to Unhappy Darling and then halfway onto my actual skin on my eyelid, and very slowly I'm starting to buff it out and blend it out so it's a little bit more smoky and not just a harsh line. But I'm going to be adding one more color, and then I'm going in with Morticia, which is a blood red, much more of a brighter red. And I'm going to be putting that halfway onto Vampira and halfway onto my skin. And now I'm going to slowly start buffing that out towards my temples, towards my eyebrow, and I'm just going to go really slowly and do really light motions. I'm not going to press too hard. I'm just going to very lightly buff it out. I'm using this shade from Plouise. It's one of their bases. It's called Rude Boy Red. And I'm using this base on my lid so that my red shadow has something to really attach to. So this is the reason why I don't set my base, my Plouise base, before doing shadows, is because I feel like tackiness and liquids, powders always stick to that so much better. You're gonna get so much more pigment if your base is still like wet and sticky and tacky and you don't use a powder to set it before doing it. I'm going in with my Estate liquid liner, and this liner is actually bomb.com, you guys. It's pretty amazing. I'm just doing a giant winged liner. You know me. My palette is going back on sale today. It is a $40 palette, and it has, the pans are huge. It's so beautiful, and I know, you know, I'm saying that it's my palette, duh, I love it, but I'm really obsessed with it, and I'm just so over the moon with how it turned out and how much support I've received for it. So thank you all so much. I hope you know how much your support means to me every single day. I think about it every day, and it really means a lot. I'm using my Glam Goth Beauty glitter in Bloody Mary. That's what it's called. How cute is that name for a red glitter? Yes. And then I'm also using their glitter primer. I just put that all over my liquid liner, and then I'm going in and packing on the Bloody Mary glitter from Glam Goth Beauty on top of that. And I'm just using a small brush and very gently and carefully packing that on. This is really close to your eyeball, so if you do try to do this, please be very careful. Take it slow, okay? Don't get glitter in your eye. I'm cleaning it up with a makeup wipe. I always like to use a makeup wipe because it'll help clean up any shadow mess that might be underneath your eye, any glitter mess. You can also make your winged liner super sharp. Voila! I went ahead and did my base, and now I'm going to be taking this red Colourpop liner, and I'm just putting that into my waterline. I wanted this to be a very red, vampy look. And then I'm going to take Morticia, and I'm going to really blend out that red liner I put on my lower lash line. And I'm also taking a little bit of Vampira and putting it on the outer corner just to give it a little bit more of a darker edge. I'm taking the shade Elvira, which is a pink, shimmery, sparkly tone, and I'm putting that right in my inner corner and on my brow bone. I'm now taking my a.l.i.e.n Cosmetics Low Light Highlighting Palette. Look at how gorgeous those colors are. Insane. I'm obsessed with these highlights. They're beautiful. They're such unique shades. I'm just putting that all over my cheeks, my forehead, my nose. You know, the normal highlighting areas. And then I'm also going into my inner corner with my Estate liquid liner, and I'm just making my inner corner point. Okay, I popped in my earrings, fixed my hair, and already did my lip liner. I'm going to be using my Crypt Lashes in the style Funeral. I'm putting on my liquid liner, my lash glue, first onto my lid, also onto the band of the lashes, letting it dry for about 30 seconds, popping them on. I like to use the black Tarte lash glue. It's my favorite, my absolute favorite, and I'm just popping these babies right on there. I'm using my Goth liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Blood Chapel. Ooh, yes, it's a very deep red. The formula is amazing. I'm obsessed with it. Probably my new favorite red liquid lipstick. Dries down really nicely. It doesn't make your lips feel gross. It's beautiful. And for my lip liner, I used the Rich Brown Huda Beauty lip contour pencil. I just didn't show that on accident. I'm so sorry. But that is it for this tutorial, guys. I hope you really enjoyed. I can't wait to see those of you who get your palette. Please, please, please tag me on Instagram and let me know, because I love to see it. Thank you guys for supporting me. I already said that like 100 times during this video, but it really means a lot. I love you guys so much, and I can't wait for you to see my looks next month. Bye!